I've got some test pieces of material off the same stock. I've cut it a few pieces here. We're going to try to heat treat this material and see how it heat treats before we stick the anvil in here. Just about ready here. Let me move this thing around a little bit. Get the horn a little bit hotter. See what this side looks like. Maybe get that side a little bit hotter too. Forgot to turn the camera on the first one. I'm going to run the camera a little bit more this time. Make sure I get everything hot. Like I say, I just want to heat treat the top of this. I don't really want to heat treat the base. Okay, I think we're ready. It's really not enough water to quench this thing. Water gets too hot. Didn't really have a bigger container. I guess I could have cut that drum off and used it. Wow. Let's see if it got any. Looks like it got hard just looking at it. Get a file here. Oh yeah, it's not real hard. I don't know what material this is, but hard enough for an anvil. I'm going to temper them down a little bit just to be safe. Kind of ground this one on the top a little bit so that I could see the color. So what we're going to do is just put it back in the fire and get a little color on the top. When I get it in the machine next time, I'll put a little more. I don't know if I could grab it with this or not. Probably. And let the heat kind of wick up through the base. Maybe we can see the colors develop here in the video. Turn the fan down a little bit here too. I want the temperature to come real slow. Drag some of this coke on top of there so it doesn't get too hot. And maybe we'll see the colors draw up through the top there. I can see the colors on the side here already coming up. It's too dark on this side for me to see them very well. I just don't want it to get too hot. Take it off the fire a little bit. Let the heat soak through. I don't know if you can see them. There's a little blue purple band right there. I'm gonna let that heat soak up through a little bit. Put it back on the fire. So on. I don't know if you'll see it or not. We'll see. I could see it real clear when I took a picture this way with my iPhone. When I was heat treating them, turned purple, blue, purple up there. Getting there. Getting close now. I think it's up to about the bottom of the anvil. Oh, there it is. See? Can you? I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it right here? I want to move this a little bit. I don't want that horn to get too hot. I'd like it about like that. Okay, the end of the horn is getting hot. Maybe if I just take it out and let it set, it would be better. I see the bottom is already getting red hot. I don't want that to happen. See the colors on the top? Okay, here's the next one. Just starting it, more or less. I'm going to take it off the fire here for a little bit. Let the colors run a little bit. Colors are about halfway up right now, according to what I can see there. More heat, but it got hard enough for an anvil, I think. I can see the difference in the structure of the material out here on the surface. Now, how deep it went, I'm not sure. Only want it to go maybe a quarter, 3/8 of an inch deep, really. Colors run a little bit more up to the top. Looks like it's about right here, just looking at it. Put it back on some heat. More heat in the base. I think I heated the other one up a little faster than I wanted to. I'll take my time with this one a little more. It's a little more uniform than the last one was, because I got the fire down lower. And a very light hint of gold color, or straw color, I guess you'd say. So we're almost there. In fact, I might take it off the fire right now. Just let it sit. I think the colors will draw through there by themselves. See, it's starting to turn almost a little darker straw to purple color now. I don't know if you can see that on the video or not. Yeah, maybe. I don't know, the horn on the end is not really on. I don't know, can you see that? Maybe you can see it, I don't know. It's almost a very light purple color there now. Kind of more of a straw color here. I'd like to get a little bit more heat into that area. Ooh, there it is. I'll let it set here a little bit. Now, it's really pretty blue on the ends and straw in the middle. I think I'm going to quench it now. Water here. Okay, that's probably good enough. Let it kind of cool on its own now. I don't know if you can see this. I think you can. I can see it in the monitor. This one, a little more blue around the outside. This one, a little bit lighter. It's probably still fine. It did scale them up just a little bit. Not bad. Well, that'll polish out all right. And I think it is definitely a little bit harder than it was. This is the forge that I built a long time ago, although I have a new idea for another one. When I get my, I've ordered a plasma torch and a new plasma torch. I already have one, but I got a new one. And an HTP one and a cutting table coming. And I'm going to make one thing I'm going to make is a new forge with that too.